Best air conditioners. As temperatures climb each year, the demand for the best air conditioners has surged among homeowners seeking efficient, durable, and smart cooling solutions. Today's market offers a wide range of units, from portable to split and window models, each promising energy efficiency, quiet operation, and long-term reliability. In this guide, we evaluate air conditioners based on type, build quality, performance, ease of installation, smart features, and overall value to help you find your ideal cooling companion.
Product number 1. Senville Lido Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump, 24,000 BTU, 208 by 230 volts, inverter, works with Alexa. The Senville Lido Series Mini Split stands out for its powerful 24,000 BTU capacity and versatility as both an air conditioner and heat pump. Designed for large rooms or open spaces, this inverter system ensures energy-efficient operation with whisper-quiet performance. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to adjust temperature settings via voice command or smartphone. The installation kit is included, simplifying setup for homeowners. Its sleek wall-mounted design complements modern interiors, while its 4-in-1 functionality, cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan modes, offers year-round comfort. The energy efficiency and smart connectivity make it a premium choice for users who prioritize control, performance, and value in one reliable package.
Product number 2. Black & Decker Portable Air Conditioner, 8,000 BTU, 3,950 BTU SACC, for rooms up to 400 square feet. The Black & Decker 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner is an excellent option for renters or those who prefer a mobile cooling solution. Ideal for rooms up to 400 square feet, this unit combines portability with powerful cooling performance. It includes a remote control, LED display, and 24-hour timer, offering convenient customization. The unit also functions as a dehumidifier and fan, ensuring comfortable air quality year-round. Installation is quick, with a simple window venting kit included. Its compact design and rolling caster wheels make it easy to move between rooms, and the washable filter ensures easy maintenance. Although slightly noisier than window units, its efficiency and convenience make it a favorite for apartments, bedrooms, or home offices seeking flexible cooling.
Product number 3. Amazon Basics 5,000 BTU Small Window Air Conditioner, up to 150 square feet. The Amazon Basics 5,000 BTU window air conditioner is a compact, budget-friendly solution ideal for small spaces such as dorms, studios, or bedrooms up to 150 square feet. Despite its modest size, it delivers reliable cooling with 2 cooling and fan speeds for customized comfort. The mechanical rotary controls are simple and intuitive, while the removable and washable filter ensures easy maintenance and clean airflow. Installation is straightforward with an included mounting kit. Users will appreciate its energy efficiency and quiet operation, making it a solid option for those on a budget who still want dependable performance. The minimalist design blends easily with most window setups, and its durable build promises long-lasting service for smaller living areas.
Product number 4. Midea 10,000 BTU U-shaped smart inverter window air conditioner, cools 450 square feet. The Midea 10,000 BTU U-shaped smart inverter window air conditioner is one of the most advanced models available. Its U-shaped design allows the window to close around the unit, providing superior noise isolation and security. Designed for rooms up to 450 square feet, this model features Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling control through the Midea Air app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. The inverter technology ensures quiet, energy-efficient operation, up to 35% more efficient than traditional window ACs. Users love the smooth installation process and modern design that minimizes vibration and sound. Whether you're cooling a bedroom, office, or living room, this model excels in performance, smart convenience, and sleek aesthetics, making it one of the best investments for eco-conscious households.
Product number 5. Medea 5000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. Cool up to 150 square feet. For small rooms or compact spaces, the Medea 5000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner offers straightforward, dependable cooling. It's perfect for bedrooms, small offices, or dorms up to 150 square feet. Featuring 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling modes, and 2 fan speeds, it allows precise climate control. The mechanical dial controls make it easy to operate, while the reusable filter simplifies maintenance. Installation is quick with the included mounting accessories, and its quiet operation ensures restful sleep. While it lacks smart features, its focus on simplicity, durability, and efficiency makes it a great choice for those seeking value and reliability without unnecessary extras. This compact, high-performing unit proves that effective cooling doesn't have to come at a high price.